Christmas, people. Merry Christmas, family. Merry Christmas to everybody. May this new season bring us joy, grace, abundance, blessing, lot of grace to us. And I just want to say thank you to everybody that has been supporting me. Genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, I say thank you so much for supporting this brand, for supporting this person. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all so much in my life. And yes, today I've done a lot of cooking, and I just take you guys along with the cooking. And I hope you enjoy the episode. I wish, and I even know that you will enjoy the episode. So without much talk, let's get into it, guys. See, I'm eating my food. It's delicious. So guys, here is my dodo. My dodo is frying. See that nice color? Can you see that? It's so gorgeous. Guys, I just poured my gizzard into a stew, and then I will let it simmer for a few minutes, and then I'm going to pour my dodo inside because I want to make gizzard dodo. Sorry, I'm so sorry, I forgot to show you guys how I just boiled the gizzard anyway. This is chicken gizzard, so I poured the gizzard, and then I just prepare a stew, blended tomato, crushed bonnet, and few stuff, and bell pepper, and then what else, then ginger and garlic. So that's what I blended. This is the mixture. So I poured oil first, then the pepper mixture in, let it cook for 15 minutes, and then pour my boiled gizzard inside. So I'm going to be pouring my dodo soon. This is dodo. This is my dodo right here. So I'm going to be pouring it inside soon. Okay, guys, you sure yummy and fresh. Okay, so guys, so this is after about 5 minutes. Then the gizzard has stayed in the stew for about 5 minutes. So it's now time for me to put my dodo in. So I'm gonna just mix it together now. I'm using my hand to hold my phone, so I will have to pause it a bit. Hi guys, I'm making it. I'm gonna mix this bad boy together. Okay, can you feel? Don't tell me anything. Although it looks like I've got too much stew here, and the outcome might not be kind of what I would like, but let me mix it and see, guys. Okay, so guys, see, it looks like I've got excess stew here, but it's not bad because we'll be using it to eat rice, and it's not just going to be all dried and all that. So I kind of love it this way. So there's excess stew in it, so which kind of makes sense. I mean, see that bad boy? See that bad boy? Oh my god! And it doesn't just look good, it tastes good. It do what? It tastes good. Yes. See that bad boy? Ooh. So from this point that I've put the dough inside, I'm just going to let it simmer for 2 minutes. In fact, maybe 1 minute, because the dough will just be too soft if I leave it for. This is my grilled turkey. I've made this last night, so I'm just going to put it in a stew now. This is my grilled turkey. Guys, this is my stew, and again, this is my stew soup, or I don't even know what they call it, please. So, and again, this is just a mixture of tomato, bell pepper, crushed bonnet. Is this crushed bonnet or crushed bonnet? Any which one. Crushed bonnet, and onions, garlic, ginger. That's the mixture I have here. So now I'm going to be putting my turkey inside now, and then I've got some goat meat. I have boiled goat meat that I'm going to be putting in. Yeah. Yep. And then I'm going to put the rest of my turkey inside. Okay, I'm just going to mix it and let it cook for a few minutes again. This has been cooking for about 20 minutes. I cooked the stew for about 20 minutes. I'm just going to let it cook for 5 minutes. And guys, I'll see you soon. This one you can use it to eat any swallow, or even rice, or anything. Okay, so because I don't like it. So that's one secret here. I don't like it. So I like to guys, another bad boy is ready. Another bad boy. Let me mix it for you, and you see. Ooh. See that? Please bring your amala, bring your iyon, bring your ewedu and amala, and come and enjoy this bad boy. See that goat meat? Yeah. By the way, guys, I don't like goat egg. I don't know if I'm the only one. I don't know what they're enjoying in this thing. It's just full of bone, and I don't like it. I want meat. If I want to eat meat, let me eat meat. I don't want to have business with anything that has to do with bone. I don't know what people are enjoying, because I believe that we are only enjoying the stew, not the meat. But I mean, I feel so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. I don't like cooking, but see that? It looks so yummy. Okay, my lovely. So it's time to cook another bad boy. Our last bad boy for today. I'm cooking jollof rice. So I've put my oil in the pan now. I don't like to see onion anywhere near my food. I don't like to see physical onion in my food. So I've blended a lot of onions in my pepper mixture. So I have onion, bell pepper, and my pepper mixture is here. Bell pepper, scotch bonnet. I said scotch bonnet, so it's scotch bonnet, scotch bonnet, and tomatoes. Okay, so that is my mixture, and onion, garlic, and ginger. So now I'm going to be putting this derica tomato. I'm going to be putting it in this oil now. Okay, so guys, I'm going to go ahead now. I've put the tomatoes, but because the oil was too hot when I put the tomato, that is why it changes color like this. So I'm going to just mix it until all the tomatoes has blended well with the oil. So I'm going to show you. So I've mixed the tomato, and this is what it looks like now. The tomato paste, this is what it looks like now. And then I've gone ahead and put all my seasoning in the tomato paste while I'm still frying the tomato paste. And so this has been like almost 5 minutes now. So this is the best time to pour in my pepper mix. So I've poured in my pepper mix. Then I'm going to just quickly mix it up together and let it cook again for another 5 minutes, and immediately I'm going to just put my rice. I'm doing this because I have already parboiled the pepper, so I don't want it to overcook. Okay, just not to lose all the nutrients. So I'm going to just mix and pour the rice. Alright, my lovely, so I've poured the rice in now. So I'm going to go ahead and mix the rice with stew and then get to the next step. Don't go, stay with me. So I finished mixing the rice with the stew right now. You can see how it is, and I'm sure you will be guessing what's the outcome of this rice. You see how red, how flavorful it looks right now. You can tell that everything is in place. And then, you know, the secret to get that smoky rice, this is where it is. I'm going to leave it like this for a few minutes, 2 minutes, to let the flavor get into the rice before I put my chicken stock. Okay, stay with me. And by the way, guys, can I just say, please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please help a sister. This is a small channel. Support me by liking, commenting. Comment what do you think about this smoky jollof rice, this bad boy. And then please kindly subscribe to the channel. It's a form of showing me that you're a sister. Okay, showing me that it's a form of supporting me. Okay, thank you so much. And I'm going to show you the next step. So I'm gonna put foil on it like that and then cover. So usually I just put the fire like this, and then I'm gonna cook on medium heat and then later change it to low heat. Okay, so guys, so this is what we have. I'm gonna mix it now. See, that is what we have. Our jollof rice is getting ready. Ready. It looks like I've got too much stew, but this is the stew that I'm going to leave for it to be simmer, and it's going to just boil with the stew. Yeah, so that is first mix. All right, guys, so this is what I have right now. So but because the rice is not tender yet, so I'm going to go ahead and put just a little bit water over it and just cover and let the foil let it do the rest. I'm going to leave it on a low heat. All right, our bad boy is ready. And then so I just put butter, so I want to mix that in now. And guys, this tastes so delicious. It tastes so super duper delicious. Thank you all so much for watching this Christmas cooking vlog. Thank you so much. I appreciate it a lot. And please, if you have not yet subscribed at this point, I still want to beg you. I want to plead. I'm on my knees, oh. I'm on my knees, love. I'm begging. Please like this video, comment. How do you make your jollof rice? And did you make jollof rice this Christmas? Because there's no Christmas without a jollof. Okay? So, and that is what we have. Thank you so much for supporting this small girl. I appreciate you. I appreciate you being here. Thank you so very much. And that being said, I will go and get a can of Coke, because you understand. Yeah, so I'll go and get a can of Coke and I step it down with this bad boy. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.